Good morning, children. Welcome back to our chapter Harappan Civilization. Today we will see, is there existed social differences in Harappan society, if there are upper class, lower class, or different social groups existed in Harappan civilization. About that we are going to see. By the excavations we come to know they practiced different types of burials. Burials, after death, how they were buried in mud. That is called burials. So they practiced different types of burial system. Rich people or poor people, they had different, or upper class or lower class. Anyway, we can see differences in their burial. So from this we can come to know there existed social differences. So we will see the burial practices of the Harappan people. The burial in Harappan sites, the dead were generally laid in pits. After death, the dead body was buried by making a pit. Pit, by digging the soil, they will make a pit, and in that the dead body was buried. Some of these pits were lined by bricks. In some pits, we can see around bricks. This is one of the images of the dead body buried in Harappan soil. We can see some of the burials in Harappan civilization. It contained ornaments, pottery, etc. With this, we can believe that they believed in life after death. And sometimes we got with the skeleton the copper mirrors. Copper mirrors also they buried with the dead body. Then jewelries were used by men and women. How we come to know that? Because from the skeleton of man, after excavations we found with the skeleton, man's skeleton, and this his burial pit also contained ornaments made with shells, beads and micro beads, like that is very small beads. With that made ornaments we also got from the buried center of a man. With that we come to the conclusion that men and women in Harappan civilization used a large amount of ornaments. But in general, Harappans never believed in burying precious things with the dead. They never buried very precious things like gold, etc. with the dead body. But in Egyptian civilization, we know about pyramids. The pyramids are, some pyramids are the contemporary of Harappan civilization. In the Harappan civilization time, some pyramids in Egypt also made. But these pyramids contained a treasure, that is a large amount of wealth they buried with the dead body. But that we can't see in Harappan civilization. So they never believed in burying precious things with the dead body. They believed only life after death. So the daily needed things only they buried with the dead body. So in the burials contained ornaments, pottery and copper mirrors also. Men and women used ornaments. And they never believed in burying precious things with the dead body. The next we will see the strategies to find out social differences with using the artifacts. Artifacts means the cultural things we got from the excavation. That is called artifact, that we early come to know. Studying artifacts is another strategy to find out social differences. So artifact and burials shows the social differences existed in Harappan civilization. The artifacts are divided into utilitarian and luxuries. These artifacts, these cultural things we got from the excavated centers, we can divide into two: utilitarian, that is daily using purpose, and for luxuries. Luxuries will be very high cost precious things, that is called luxuries, and utilitarian daily using things is called utilitarian things. So utilitarian artifacts include objects made of stone. These include cones. Cones, that we are grinding by using hand, the things that we are using to grind things, that is called cones. Pottery, needles, body rubbers, etc. are the usually the utilitarian things that we got in plenty amount from all the settlements of Harappan civilization. It was distributed throughout the Harappan settlement. So everyone used all these things. That is why it is called, we can imagine it is an utilitarian artifacts. And luxurious artifacts are rare objects, and rarely it got from different places, especially from big cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. We got these luxurious things in large amount, and these are precious things, and high technology is needed to produce them, and it was something made in ceramic, like today we are using cookery materials like plates, etc., made with the ceramics that we know. So that is the luxury artifacts, and rarely all these objects were got, and especially from big cities only. This is called luxurious things, and that rarely we got, and also in less number from less number of cities, that is high cities only that we got. In small cities is some small things of these luxurious things we got, like the little pots were used as perfume bottles, the ceramic. In Mohenjo-daro it is used in a large amount, big things, but in other area it was used in small items, that is little pots made with this they made to use as perfume bottles. So these are luxurious things, rare numbers we got, and from rare area, especially from big cities only we got. So this type of two types of artifacts also shows that in Harappan civilization there existed social differences. Rich and poor people lived in Harappan area. These are the thing. Today also we can see to grain the things we are using this type of stones. These are the utilitarian things we got from Harappan settlements. These are the luxurious items like today's ceramic pots, ceramic plates, etc. It contained designs, color, and it was baked. So it will use high technology for making this. So we can imagine that it was used by the rich people, and less number only we got from the Harappan side, especially from the big cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa.